I already got a 3-pack of these RiRywony hemp gummies, 25,000 milligrams. They arrived very safely, and when you open this up, it has a seal on the top, sealed up for safety. But the one problem I have with these is they're all stuck together. And this has been a big issue for me. And I put them in the fridge thinking it would harden them up enough to, get them out of here and make it easier, but it is not easy. And you can see they kind of like have a film on them and they stick together. Actually, leave kind of a little film on their hands. But I do have to say that they taste very good. They have a good taste to them. There's 80 in here, and we're looking at 2 gummies per serving. So there's 40 servings in here. Per serving, we're looking at 12 calories, 3 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of sugar. A little bit of vitamin C, vitamin E, B6, and B12 in here. But for me, it's just not worth the trouble of trying to get them out of here. They do taste great, though, once you do get them out of here. It's just hard to work with. They taste good anyway, and, they've been helping me sleep. But there you go. Hemp Gummies, RiRywony.